Dear all, today we are going to discuss about the video presentation making. So the presentation can be made by using any presentation software application such as Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint or anything else. And after having your presentation either in PPT or PPTX or PDF format, you can directly convert that into your video presentation by adding your voice and your image, your video on that if you wish. So that is what we are going to see, and it is very possible by simply using a simple application like a screen recorder. So we need to have an application for screen recorder of screen recording, and one of such applications is that ASL screen recorder. You can see that ASL screen recorder. You can click on that. Okay, now I'm clicking on that ASL screen recorder. First, I'll have to give some settings. I'll just give settings. So from here, settings, I'll go. Okay, after going to settings, I can choose the resolution which I need, the clarity and quality of video. So you know that if the quality is good, the file size will also be large, isn't it? High file size will be there. So here I am clicking on resolution, and I can choose the clarity of the video, the resolution of the video. So if you go to the less resolution, your video won't be that good. And at least you should do 854 into 480 minimum. You have to choose that to have a better quality. And now I'll choose 120 1280 into 720 resolution. And after that, you can come down, and here you have an option, orientation. Like orientation means if you need only portrait way, the recording will be portrait. Okay, if you need that only, you can choose that. Otherwise, auto, if you put on auto, when you turn your mobile phone into landscape, then that will also be recording in that way. So I'll keep on auto mode. After that, I'll keep this come to this record audio. That means we need to record our explanation, isn't it? So we will tap it into on. We will tap into on. Okay, now after that, what you can come down, and you can have either enable this magic button or not. Magic button is that the button of the screen recorder. This is the magic button. You may enable it or not. If you enable it, your AZ screen recorders button would be there displayed on your screen. That will also be recorded. If you don't want this icon to come here, you can disable it, and from your notification bar you can control the recording. Okay, now I'm keeping it on. After that, I'll go to countdown before start. Like before the recording is started, you can enable a countdown. Okay, if you need a preparation time like 5 seconds, 6 seconds, you can choose that by going to countdown value. Now I'll click here countdown value. If you are doing the first time, you may need some preparation time. Otherwise, you need only 3 seconds or 4 seconds for preparation. Now I'll give keep an average, that is 6 seconds. So while you try to record these 6 seconds, you will be getting for your preparation. And do you need a text watermark on your video and a logo? You can do text and logo. You can click, and if you need text as a watermark, you can enable this, and here you can choose what is the text you wish to have. Now I don't want the text, that's why I'm disabling it. Okay, now I'll go down, and the text color, etc. You can choose background color, etc. You can choose text size, etc. Now logo, I'm coming. If I need to have a logo, I can click here. Suppose this mushroom is my logo. It will come, and I can place the logo anywhere on my screen, and you can choose the logo from down. If you have your own logo, you click image, and you can choose the right logo for your brand. Okay, after that, what you need to do is You can come here. The logo size you can change from here. Okay, like you can choose what is the logo size you require, and after that you can click, and now you are going back. Okay, now let my logo be there here. Okay, for a demonstration purpose. Now what you need to do is, now you have done all the, okay, one sec, I think I missed something. The camera was there. Okay, now you come here, show camera. Like if you wish to make your video on the screen, you can click on show camera, so that a small window will be opened. Your front camera would be working there. So that also can be done. Okay, now I'm just disabling it. You can move the camera anywhere. After that, you can come here like this. These are the necessary settings you need to do. Now you please minimize it. You come to your presentation, open your presentation somewhere. Open your presentation from your Google Drive or your phone. So since I have this presentation on my Google Drive, I'll just go there. I'll just open a presentation from my Google Drive. Okay, you can use either PDF or this PPT. Both will work. Even whatever you can open, you need to open during your presentation, that can be done. But if you open the document and all, when you click somewhere, that may be turning to the editing mode. So better you use PDF and or presentation. Now I'll use a PDF. Okay, PDF is good for this. Why? Because when we scroll, nothing will happen. Okay, and I had told you that either whenever you are recording something like your video, if you are recording your video before by a camera or mobile phone, use this camera like this. Okay, fix it somewhere. Now here there is no need of fixing, because what is coming on our screen only will be recorded. What I was telling is, if you are speaking something and that you are recording, you keep your camera somewhere static. Okay, so that these fluctuations will not be there. Now what I'll do, I'll just turn my rotation on, so that it will be coming like this. Okay, I hope you have understood what I have discussed so far. Like I have turned I have opened this one AZ screen recorder. Now I have only enabled the logo, it only for demonstration purpose. After that, what I did is I just opened one presentation on my computer screen. Now you have to start recording, isn't it? You need to start recording. For that, what you can do, you click on this magic button, and here you have a video. Okay, a video button is there. So when you click on that, your recording would be started by giving you that waiting time, a time which you had set, isn't it? Preparation time. So for that, countdown will be started. Now I'm clicking here. See, I'll just give permission. I'll just get now 4, 3, 2, 1. Dear students, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to discuss about uh, one second. What happened now? In between, the sharing is, my screen sharing is disabled. I'll just enable that and I'll record it again. Okay, I'll just open this. So I'll just resume my recording. I'll just resume my recording like this. Countdown is started. Now I'm going to record. See, I have some practical difficulties to show you, show my screen while recording. Okay, this is how I'll record. Dear students, today we are going to see the computer network and its applications in business. What is meant by a computer network? As the name denotes, the network means interconnections of something. So when it comes to computer network is the interconnection of computers and the devices. Like this, I'll just keep on moving to the slides one by one, and after that I will means what we are explaining in the classroom on while presenting a slide on the screen, the same way we have to speak. Okay, and you please try to switch off your fan if you have a fan in your room, so its noise will also be coming. So better you switch off your fan while recording. And I have one more suggestion to you. When you record something, either this one screen recording or something other than this, you please disable your, especially when you are doing screen recording, better you go to offline mode. Now I'm not going to offline mode. Why? Because if you are in online mode, not in flight mode, the WhatsApp messages, some notification would be coming. So whatever comes on your screen would be recorded. Okay, so that would be a problem. And I would tell you the problem or difficulty which we may face while recording is that when we record something, we may have some confusion. Like we would have prepared for presenting a topic, but still in between, if we get a lag, let the lag be there. Suppose I'm trying to, now I got a confusion, metropolitan network I'm explaining, so I got a confusion. Then what I'll do, I'll just keep a pause. Okay, I'll just keep a mum for a while, then I'll continue. Why I'm purposefully making a break in between is that while editing, if I know that I have to edit this, while editing I can easily point out that area where I need to remove some part. So I can do that by keeping a silence in between. So this is the tip for that. After that, after recording your presentation, you can stop the recording from here, or if you have enabled the magic button, otherwise you can come here, you will be having the stop button while recording is on. So do that, then your video will be saved into your mobile phone. Okay, now you may ask me where this video would be saved. This would be saved as a video file on your mobile phone, and you can open that, you can share that video with your students if no recording is needed. If you need a recording, it's very easy by using some video editing applications. Okay, I think I could convey what I wanted to convey now. If you have any query, you can ask. Yes. Hello. Hello. Anju Tiwari. Anju. Anju. Sridevi.
Sir, when we record in the PDF, this audio recording, will it remain as PDF when it is converted into video, or should we convert it again into PDF? Or will it be created as a link?
I didn't get now.
Sir, now when we record, sir, for example, there is a PDF. I record my audio into it. You told that video will be saved in the video drive. Now, from that video drive, in order to share it to our students, do we have to convert it to some YouTube link, or will it be PDF format?
It's up to you, ma'am. It is a video file. It is a video file now. You can send to through WhatsApp, Google Drive, YouTube, or Gmail, etc. You can do any mode you can choose for sharing. Even
so for example, yes sir, yes sir. So for example, if we have to upload it on our website, suppose college website, then that is also possible directly, or should we have to convert it to some other file format?
No ma'am, it is a video now. You can directly upload and display on your website. Okay.
Thank you.
Reena.
Sir, how can PPT downloaded and recording?
How can?
PPT downloaded and recording video.
Ma'am, you will have a presentation with you now for converting. That you can keep on your mobile. You can get your file which you need to convert into video format available on your mobile phone.
Sir, please, मतलब पहले PPT को हमको लेना होगा कि पहले recorder start करना पड़ेगा?
You prepare a PPT either by using Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint. Then you download into your mobile phone. If you do not know how to take a file from your computer to mobile phone, do one thing, send it as an attachment in your email, and you download, open email on your mobile also, download the file which will be there on your mobile phone. Then you open that and convert.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Punita?
Sir, two things. There are two things. Firstly, this is only for the PDFs. We cannot simultaneously means show our content which is available. Like if you want to simultaneously teach and speak, this is not good for that.
Teach and speak, like you need to come in on full screen, then you have to go like that.
Like I have my notes and I want to give my explanation simultaneously along with my voice and then send it. So is this not meant for that?
Ma'am, that is what I just explained now. I was speaking also about computer network. I was speaking. You got it? What?
No, sir. You actually showed that we have our PDF already saved and
yes, ma'am. Please listen to me first. Actually, I opened the PDF. Okay.
Yes.
You got it. And before that, I had gone to settings and on my mic. Had you seen that? Okay. Then while the recording is going on, whatever the sound comes there, like if you are speaking something, that will be coming. If your child is coming and speaking something, that also would be recorded with your PPT. Yeah.
No, that recording is okay, the audio recording. But for the video, I want my content which is with me, not on the mobile, but with me as a hard copy. I want to share that. Will that not be done?
Okay, you can do
like
one
I
thing.
have my notes as hard copy.
Yeah, I got it, ma'am. Okay, in that case, you have to go to editing, or otherwise, if you.
One more question.
Yes, ma'am.
There was one more question after this. You explain this, sir. Then I.
Okay, you are telling that while recording, you need to show something like this. You have a paper. Okay, for that you can do one thing. You can enable your that camera. Okay, camera is there. Your camera will also be coming on your screen. So there you show that, but it won't be that effective. I'll tell you, it won't be that effective. So in such cases, you have to go to editing application and add the content what you need to insert there. So I'll come to that later. Editing purpose.
Okay, sir. And in my camera, this setting part is not coming. Means in my mobile, when I was simultaneously trying with other mobile, the setting part is not coming. The AZ screen recorder has 4 icons along with that, and one looks like a video recorder, one, but the setting part is not. I'm not getting that.
I'll just show you, ma'am. Okay, I hope you are getting my screen now. See, when you click here, you have different options. Okay, this is different from what I was showing on another mobile. So I was showing on another mobile, and on this you have this video camera, and four squares. Have you seen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, click on that. Then you will get settings here.
Okay, sir.
Now you got. See,
yes, sir. I am getting that. Yes, sir.
Now you can do resolution, bitrate, orientation, etc. What we did last time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Kristuraj.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I make a try for making an audio, and that was converted. But the counting was not still appearing in my screen. How can I erase it, sir? Still it shows. It starts from 6 and 5, 4 and 2 up to 0.
Yeah, when
the 4 icons which show.
Sir, listen to me. Countdown is giving you a preparation time. When it becomes 0 only, your recording would be started. So before, when it shows 6, 5, etc., you will have an idea that it is going to be started now. So you will prepare for recording.
Okay, sir. But after finishing the record, still it shows.
Shweta. Shweta. Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni. Shweta, Krishnaveni.
Slide. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Krishnaveni. But sir, when we are recording, no, like we don't have mouse, and also we'll have to do manually the scrolling part, like next slide, next slide. In that case, our finger also would be shown.
No, ma'am, your finger won't be seen. Finger is outside the screen. What is coming on your screen only would be displayed. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. I didn't get you.
Madam, what comes on your screen, what is displayed on your screen only would be recorded.
Okay.
Okay, not your finger.
How to go to the next slide in that case, sir? Next slide.
Next slide, you can scroll. How do you scroll the things on your screen, ma'am? The same way you can scroll. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Shweta.
Hello. Sir, I just wanted to know if these apps are supported by iPhone, because I couldn't find both in my app store.
Okay, you check, ma'am. I'm not an iPhone user, so I don't know.
Yeah, I think.
But you can, if this is not available, the technique
is there any other?
Yeah, you can see. You can in App Store.
Yeah, there are other.
Yeah, do it, ma'am. Actually, only the technique is very simple. Use a screen recorder application and do it. Nothing else. You don't want to follow the same application.
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, I think around 3 of us are not able to find. I think they are all from iPhone apps on phones.
No issues.
We are not able to try.
Yeah, that's why I was telling in the beginning that you can use any screen recorder application. But for the demonstration purpose, I was using AZ screen recorder. Like
definitely.
You can search for screen Cast-O-Matic also, or you can simply type.
That is not available.
Okay.
No.
Then you type screen recorder application. It would be there.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we could come across some other screen recorders, but maybe I have to try.
Download it, ma'am, and install. The features would be same. Some icons and all would be different.
Yeah. Icon is different. Maybe the features would be having some similarities.
Yeah. Feature. Actually, the technique is very simple.
I will try, sir.
Record whatever comes on your screen along with your voice. That is the technique.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Deepa.
Sir, my question is, generally when we record any video file, like here it says the maximum time limit is 1.5 hours I can record. My question is, sir, is the file really heavy? Because my experience with recording videos is that it's very difficult to upload the video onto any site because it becomes really heavy.
Yes, ma'am. It is video. It is not an image. When we are recording something good quality video, definitely the size will be heavy. Okay. And what you can do, instead of recording 1 hour length video or 40 minutes length video, why can't you record like a 5-minute video? Like you will record a single concept. Then as a small modules you record, that would be good. Okay. Then your file size won't be that heavy. You can share it. And another thing is that if you are recording a long video, people won't wish to watch that. Okay. So
so if you are putting it on YouTube, we will prefer the entire thing as one shot, right?
Yeah, that when you get a good high-speed internet, you can upload into YouTube if the file size is heavy.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can resize the file also. You can reduce the file size by using some application. Okay, I'll tell you one application. UCut. UCut. You can choose UCut video editor. It's very
UCut
video editor. You can. It's very simple application. That's why, and even no watermark comes. Okay.
Yeah, if you can help us, sir.
Pardon?
If you could help us with video editing, and even if you can teach us combining the videos.
Yeah, I'm coming to that, ma'am. Let me finish this one first.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I hope it is clear for you, like how to record your screen and convert your presentations into video. Now, if there are no more queries, we will take a short break of 10 minutes and you need to download one application. Okay, please download one application which is typed in chat box. Yes, Sujani?
So when we are recording the video, when we are doing screen recording, we are not able to record our voice. How do we do that? And I'm using an iPhone.
Ma'am, please go to the settings of that application. Okay. You will have to enable the microphone. There will be something to enable your microphone.
I have enabled it, sir.
Pardon?
I have enabled it.
Okay, record audio. Have you enabled? Record audio. I don't know which application.
Microphone icon.
Ma'am, I don't know which application you are using, but you will have an option in.
Sir, AZ screen recorder.
Okay, if you are using AZ screen recorder, it's very simple. You have record audio option on its settings. You just enable it. Then whatever you speak will be coming. Okay, if you need, I'll show you again. Come here. What happened? One second. One second. Okay, you come to settings and here you have record audio option. Please enable this. Then your audio will be recorded. Otherwise,
Sir, that's the problem I'm facing. I don't get that option.
Ma'am, are you getting, like when you click on this icon, you are getting this icon now? Screen recorder icon?
Not even that, sir.
Have you installed it?
Yeah, of course I've installed it.
Then what are you getting on your screen? Please tell me.
on the right side, I'm getting 1080p, and on the left, auto. When I tap to start the screen recording, I get a microphone icon, and I press that, so my microphone is on.
Ma'am, listen to me. Do you have, when you click on this icon, do you have a 4 square icon?
No, sir.
4 square icon?
No, sir.
One second, ma'am. Please wait. See, this is how you, I hope you are seeing my screen. Are you getting your screen like this? Like these icons, one video camera, these icons, are you getting?
No, sir, that is not available in iOS.
Okay, then what are you getting? Are you getting this AZ screen recorder like this?
I have downloaded AZ screen recorder, sir, but the icon is different.
Okay, please help if somebody is using iPhone, please help her. Otherwise, you send me the screenshot. We'll do it later.
Okay, sir.
Akhtar Parveen?
Sir, I tried to download AZ screen recorder, sir. Instead of downloading in the laptop, it is getting downloaded in the cell phone, sir. So I was unable to work simultaneously.
Ma'am, please listen to me. I had told you that today we are going to work on mobile phone. This application is not for computer. This is for smartphone. If you are trying to download it on computer, how it will work?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Basveshwar.
Sir, in the setting, I have set the resolution, frame rate auto, bit rate auto, orientation auto, time lapse disable, then record audio. So this setting makes. So what is the next step, sir?
Now you countdown also you set.
Countdown, is it below? Yeah. Yes, countdown 3 seconds.
Okay, you can make 5 or something, and please ensure that microphone is on, like you have enabled that in settings. Audio. Yeah. Top.
Stop option. Stop options.
No, sir. In settings, I think 4th or 5th option would be enable audio.
Resolution, orientation, bitrate, record audio.
Record audio, yeah, that's what. Please enable that.
Record audio.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to minimize it. Okay. You have to minimize it. Go and open your presentation PDF or something. Then you get ready. After that, you can click on this AZ screen recorder icon. Then press video button. Then your recording will be started.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, there is no ideal resolution. It depends on you. But you see, if you are going to use a very low resolution, your video won't be having clarity. Okay, thank you very much. Now we'll have a short break. We will join by 10:20 sharp. By 10:20 sharp. Meanwhile, please install KineMaster application. Please install KineMaster application on your mobile phone and come. Okay, with the same link you can join by 10:20. Now I'm leaving this meeting.